A resistor is something that opposes the flow of current, and they have two arrangements. And this arrangement could be in series and also in parallel. We may wish to form a complete circuit here, which is the representation of the flow of current from its source back to its source. So by so doing, we form a wire from here, we connect it back here, and we connect a wire here, and we also connect it back to this place. Now, the source of current is the cell, which we can represent as this form. The source of current is also the cell, known as the battery, which we could represent in this form. Finally, for the accurate equation of the parameters that may be on a circuit, you must know the formula for the total resistor you have in a circuit. Now, for this one arranged in series, we have the total resistor is R1 plus the R2 to how many resistors you have on the circuit. While the one in parallels, we have it to be the inverse or the fraction of the resistor you have. So that the 1 over R total is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 to how many resistors you have. Now to calculate here, since the R total is equals to the first plus second to how many, we only have 2 here. So we have this to be equals 2 plus 1, which is going to give us equals 3 ohms. Now for this one in parallel, we have this formula. What we're going to do is say 1 all over R total is going to be equals 1 all over the first R1 is 2 plus the second R1 is 1. Already, it doesn't matter the one you put, if this is the first or second, any one you choose to put there, it doesn't matter. And therefore, we're going to have that the R total equals the LCM of 2 and 1. Sorry, this is 1 over R total. The LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 divided by 1 is going to give us 2, which is equals 3 over 2. So this is the resistor. Mind you, we have 1 all over R total. So we are going to not leave this as our answer, but saying that 1 all over R total equals 3 over 2. Now we are looking for this. It should not be in fraction. We cross multiply, so that 3 multiplied by R total, we're going to have 3 R total equals 1 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 2. So that the R total is going to be division with the coefficient, which is 3. So that the R total left alone is going to give us 2 over 3. And this is our final answer. Now, there is a trick. If you don't want to use this formula as a JAMB student, what you need to do is you say that the R total for this one in parallel is equals to the product P over the sum S. Now the R total now becomes equals the product of 2 and 1 is 2 multiplied by 1 all over the sum of 2 and 1 is 2 plus 1, which is going to give us equals to 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 over 2 plus 1 is 3, which is still the same thing. So I prefer using this. But mind you, you can use this formula once the resistor in parallel is 2. But once it is more than 2, maybe you have another resistor over here, and it is 3, so you don't use this product. It's only when there are 2 resistor in parallel before you use it. Now before we end, notice that from this circuit you may have other names such as the voltage, which we always have to be at the cell. Then you may now have what is the voltage passing through the resistor. We also have the current, which is produced by this cell, which is the battery. It may be here or it may be here, but it is only should be present at one particular place. Else, you want to find the current passing through the individual resistor, or when you have capacitor and inductor. We haven't reached to that, so that I'm going to put my current to be here, and assuming that this current is 2 measured in ampere, and I'm now asked to find the voltage. The voltage we know is to be 1, which is current, multiplied by R, which is resistor. Now the essence of knowing this formula is that if I'm to say now that the voltage, which is V, is now going to be equals to I, which is 2, multiplied by the resistor. I'm not going to use 2 as the resistor or use 1 as a resistor. I need to find the resistor, total resistor that is in this circuit, which is the formula that we have been given. So for this one in series, we have calculated it to be what? 3. So I'm going to use what? 3 ohms. All right. So that 2 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 6 volts. So that the voltage on this circuit is what? 6 volts. So that is it. hope you grab something. In our next video, let's look at the circuit containing resistor in series and in parallel in a single resistor. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.